When you think of a farm now, you quickly think of a tractor. In the future, we believe you will think of robots. For years, we have focused on efficiency, so now we have huge fields with one kind of crop, and we are applying pesticides and fertilizers. We know the consequences: spoiled soil, little biodiversity, and polluted drinking water. Nature can help us to find sustainable alternatives. Intercropping is a technique where we mix plants in the field, just like in nature. This can help to make the production more resilient and to use less fertilizer and pesticides. One reason farmers do not already do this is because the machinery we have is designed for monocultures. Robot technology is developing fast. Robots are becoming more intelligent with more advanced perception systems. They can learn to help farmers to take care of an intercropping field. Should I cut this or leave it alone? But to teach the robot these things, it takes engineers, data scientists, agronomists, and innovative farmers, and they need to work closely together. At the same time, we can design how we do intercropping, because the new technologies allow us to rethink how we get most out of our fields. And that's what robotic intercropping is all about. We are a multidisciplinary team co-designing robots and intercropping to help farmers make a living while contributing to healthier soils, more biodiversity, and cleaner drinking water. Join us on our journey.